what is the value of tangent 92 pi over 3 radians? Okay, to get the value of this one, let's consider the angle over here given in radians. We know that when I divide 92 by 3, its value will be greater than 2. That is, this is equal to greater than 2 pi radians. And we know that the angle of one full rotation is 2 pi radians. Since this is equal to a value greater than 2 pi, it contains more than one rotation. Okay, our first work is to find the number of full rotations in this angle measure. For that, we have to divide this angle by the angle of one full rotation, 2 pi radians. Okay, let me do it. 92 pi over 3. It has to be divided by the angle of one full rotation, that is 2 pi radians. Okay, 92 pi over 3. We can change this division as multiplication and get reciprocal for this one. Then I'm getting times 1 over 2 pi. Okay, this pi will cancel out. 2 goes into 2 1 times and 2 goes into 92 46 times. I'm getting 46 over 3. Now we can change this improper fraction to a mixed number. We know that 3 goes into 46 15 times. Let's write 15, and 15 times is 45. So in 46 we have 1 left over, so it can be written as it is, and this denominator can be taken over here. So this mixed number 15 1 over 3 equals to this division, and this 15 1 over 3 can be written as 15 positive 1 over 3. So that is, in this 92 pi over 3 radians, we have 15 complete rotations, and apart from the 15 complete rotations, we have 1/3 of the rotation. Okay, now let's ignore this 15 complete rotation, consider this 1/3. And in degrees, the angle of one full rotation is 360 degrees. Then what is the angle measure for 1/3 of the full rotation? For that, we have to multiply 1/3 and the angle of one full rotation in degrees, that is 360 degrees. Okay, 3 goes into 3 1 times and 3 goes into 360 degrees, 120 degrees. So 1/3 of 360 degrees equals to 120 degrees. Okay, now let's take the given stuff as it is. It is tan 92 pi over 3 radians equals to tan. Instead of this angle, we can write 120 degrees. I mean, the angle we get apart from the 15 full rotations. Okay, 120 degrees. Okay, now let's consider the 4 quadrants. So here we have 0 degrees, here we have 90 degrees, and here we have 180 degrees, and here we have 270 degrees, and here 360 degrees. That is the angle of one full rotation in degrees. And this is quadrant number 1, this is quadrant number 2, and this is quadrant number 3, and finally this is quadrant number 4. Now we can consider the ACC concept. That is A in first quadrant, S in second quadrant, T in the third quadrant, C in the fourth quadrant. Okay, for the first quadrant we have A. A means all trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. And for the second quadrant we have S. S means a sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, the rest are negative in the second quadrant. The third one, tangent and cotangent are positive, the rest are negative. The fourth quadrant, cosine and its reciprocal secant are positive, the rest are negative. And we know that 120 degrees angle measure, I mean the terminal side of this 120 degrees will have in the second quadrant between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the terminal side of this 120 degrees. Okay, since the terminal side of 120 degrees falls in the second quadrant, the tangent is negative, because in the second quadrant only sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, the rest are negative. So tangent is negative, so we can take negative sign, tangent. And now we have to get the reference angle for this 120 degrees. For that, we have to get the acute angle between the terminal side and the horizontal axis over here. So now to get the acute angle between the terminal side for 120 degrees and the horizontal axis where we have 180 degrees, let's subtract this 120 from 180, that is 60 degrees. So the reference angle for this one is 60 degrees. Instead of 120 degrees, we can write 60 degrees. Okay, we know that the value of tangent 60 degrees is square root of 3. So let me write over here. Here I got the value of tangent 92 pi over 3 radians. Its value is negative square root of 3. We find this value in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.